A very good day to all my dear friends. Welcome back. Today's recipe is quick jhatpat pressure cooker pulao. I had made some kala chana salad yesterday and I have some extra chana left over. So I thought I'll make use of them in this way. And I love such quick one pot meals. I'll add chana and some spices, onion, tomato, and then cook them in a pressure cooker. It hardly takes time and they are so flavorful. The pulao can be relished with just raita and papad. So let's get started. Take a pressure cooker and heat about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Once it becomes hot, add the whole spices. Here I'm adding 1 bay leaf, 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 1 inch cinnamon stick. Now reduce the flame and let these whole spices fry on low flame until they become aromatic. This way you can bring out the flavor from the spices into the oil. Now you can add ginger 1 teaspoon, garlic 2 teaspoons and green chillies 2. I've slit them into longer pieces. You could cut them into small pieces as well, as you wish. Saute them until the ginger garlic gets cooked and changes color. Now add 2 medium onions sliced. Stir them continuously until they get even color and they are golden brown in color. This will take a couple of minutes. Now you can see the color is brownish. We can add the tomato now. I'm adding 1 tomato sliced. Saute them together again and add 1 cup of water. Now place the lid. Either simmer it or you can close the lid and cook for 2 whistles. Let the pressure release by itself. Open the lid now. By the time the onion and tomatoes would have become softer. We don't have to blend them. We can just cook chana in this the same way. They'll get cooked in the pressure cooker later. This is 3/4 cup of boiled black chana left over from yesterday. Add them to the onion masala. And also we are going to add the spices now. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of red chilli powder. You can add more if you like. 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi and salt to taste. Give them all a mix. You could also add biryani masala instead. Choice is yours. Add 2 cups of water. I've soaked 1 cup of basmati rice, so double quantity of water. Now give them a nice mix, and we are going to simmer this now so that all the spices are incorporated into this onion and tomato masala, and the chanas also absorb the spices. You can also add some coriander leaves now. Even mint leaves taste better. If you have, you can throw in some mint leaves too. Give them all a nice mix. Place the lid and let them simmer. After half a minute, you can open and check the taste. Little bit of salt is required. Now mix everything. There's such a lovely aroma of pulao while this is simmering. Perfect. Now time to add the rice. I have soaked 1 cup of basmati rice for about 20 minutes. Give it a gentle mix so that the grains don't break. Close the pressure cooker lid and cook it for 2 whistles. I find these pressure cooker pulaus very easy, time saving. Now close the gas and leave it for cooling. Open it only after the pressure is released. Look at this perfectly cooked pulao. I use a chopstick to separate the grains in the pulao. This way they don't break. Each grain is separate. Perfect. Lovely, flavorful kala chana pulao is ready. You can just relish it with papad and raita. Dish it out. Awesome. Same way I also make pulaus with some other leftover curries if I have. Even soya nugget pulao tastes so good. Green peas and paneer pulao. So it's a nice way to make use of the leftover curries next day. Garnish with some coriander leaves and some fried cashew nuts. Cut them into halves and fry them in little bit of oil. And garnish the pulao. Awesome. Looks so inviting. So do give it a try and share the feedback with me. And stay tuned for more delicious recipes on my channel. If you are enjoying them, do share the link with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from my collection in case you have missed them earlier. Stay tuned for more recipes. Bye.